Welcome to the Pensive Millennial. In this video, we're going to learn how to be successful with Marcus Aurelius, the OG philosopher. Marcus Aurelius was a Roman emperor and philosopher who lived from 121 to 180 AD. His book, Meditations, is a collection of personal reflections on Stoic philosophy and how to live a good life. So, without further ado, let's dive into his insights on how to live a happy life. First, we need to focus on what we can control. That means we can't control if it rains, but we can control if we bring an umbrella. Don't waste your energy on things you can't control, like wishing your little brother was more mature. Next, we need to practice self-discipline. That means doing our homework before we play video games. Self-discipline is like a superpower that helps us overcome tough challenges. Marcus Aurelius also tells us to stay grounded in reality. Don't pretend you're a ninja if you're not, and don't expect to be perfect at everything. Set realistic goals for yourself. We need to focus on the present moment too. That means not worrying about what happened yesterday or what might happen tomorrow. Just enjoy the here and now, like playing with your dog. Change is hard, but Marcus Aurelius says we should embrace it. That means if you're scared of swimming, try to learn how to swim. It's an opportunity to grow and become better. We should also practice gratitude, which means being thankful for what we have. So, when you get a present, don't think about what you didn't get. Be grateful for what you did get. Cultivate wisdom by always learning and seeking advice from wise people. That means asking your grandparents for advice, because they've been around for a while. Be kind to others, even when they're mean to you. That means if your friend is having a bad day, try to cheer them up. Kindness is contagious and can make the world a better place. Life can be tough, but we need to be tough too. That means when you fall off your bike, get back up and keep riding. Cultivate resilience and don't give up. Finally, we need to focus on inner peace. That means finding a quiet place to meditate or do yoga, and not letting external things like a bad grade or a bully bring you down.